Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate guide to style, trends and everything in between. Today we shall be exploring the world of stiletto, high heels and moles, to iconic styles of footwear that have defined elegance and sophistication in a woman's fashion. In 2025, these shoes are making bold statements on runways and redefining how we think about comfort and style. Let's dive in. Stilettos have a rich and fascinating history. Originating in the 1950s, they became a symbol of femininity and elegance. Named after the cylinder dagger, the stiletto high heels has evolved over decades, adapting to changing fashion trends. In 2025, we see a resurgence of classic stiletto designs but with a modern twist. Think metallic finishes, intricate embellishments, and sustainable materials. Brands like Jimmy Choo, Crystal Laboration, and Manolo Blanc are leading the charge, blending timeless elegance with innovative designs. Moles, on the other hand, trace their roots back to ancient Romeo, where they were worn by aristocrats. Fast forward to the 1990s, and moles became a staple in every fashion-forward wardrobe. In 2025, they have made a triumphant comeback, offering versatility and comfort. From low-heeled moles perfect for casual outings to high-heeled variants for our glamorous events, moles cater to a variety of styles. Designers are experimenting with materials like velvet, leather, and even transparent vinyl to keep this trend fresh and exciting. Stilettos can elevate any outfit, but styling them correctly is key. Here are some tips to keep in mind. For formal events, pair black or nude stilettos with a sleek evening gown. For a chic office look, opt for pointed toe stilettos in neutral tones with tailored trousers or pencil skirt. Want to add a pop of color to your outfit? Go for bold red or electric blue stilettos to make a statement. Always ensure your stilettos fit perfectly to avoid discomfort. Comfort is just as important as style. Mayer are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. For a casual day out, pair flat moles with cropped jeans and a loose blouse. For a sophisticated evening look, opt for high-heeled moles with the midi dress or midi leg trousers. Experiment with textures. Suede moles can add a touch of luxury, while metallic moles bring a modern edge to any outfit. Do not forget accessory. Anklites can beautifully complement open back moles. The footwear trends in 2025 are all about individuality and innovations. Here's what to watch for: spectral heels, unique artistic heel designs that blur the line between fashion and art. Vibrant colors, neon hues, and bright pastels are dominating the scenes, offering a playful take on classic styles. Eco-friendly materials. Sustainability is a major focus with brands using recycled and biodegradable materials. Embellishments from pearls and crystals to intricate embroidery details are taking center stage. Mixed textures combining leather with messy stone or even flax for a unique look. While stilettos and moles are undeniably stylish, it's crucial to prioritize foot health. Here are some tips for staying comfortable. Invest in high quality shoes with proper arch support. Use gel inserts or cushioned insoles for added comfort. Avoid wearing high heels for extended periods. Give your feet a break. Stretch your feet and calves regularly to improve flexibility and circulation. Consult a podiatrist if you experience persistent discomfort. Look for inspiration. Here's how some celebrities are rocking stilettos and moles in 2025. Rihanna often seen in bold stilettos with edgy designs, pairing them with oversized blazers and statement accessories. In the fun of sleek moles, she styles them with high-waisted trousers and crop tops for a modern chic vibes. Blackie Lively, known for her love of colorful stilettos, she pairs them with elegant dresses and bold makeup. Meghan Markle keeps it classic when neutral moles effortlessly complementing her minimalist options. Have you or even wondered what goes into creating a perfect pair of stilettos or moles? The process is a blend of art and science. Designers sketch their ideas, carefully selecting materials and testing proto- pro- prototypes to ensure comfort and durability. In 2025, technology plays a significant role. 3D printing and virtual fittings allow for precise customizations, making it easier than ever to get the perfect fit. When shopping for stilettos or moles, keep the following tips in mind. Always try on shoes in store to ensure the right fit. Shop later in the day, even when your feet are slightly swollen. This helps in finding to comfort size. Pay attention to the quality of materials. Leather, suede, and high quality synthesist last longer. Invest in classic styles that will not go out of fashions, but do not see away from trendy pieces to space up your wardrobe. As we warm up this in-depth look at stiletto and moles, it's clear that these shoes are more than just fashion statements. They are symbols of confidence, power, and individuality. Whether you are prefer the timeless allure of stilettos or the versatile charm of moles, these something for everyone in 2025. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So wear what makes you feel amazing. The 2025 stiletto heels are a celebration of futuristic aesthetics. Expect to see holographic finishes, charm, textures, and light reflective materials that dazzles under any light. Heels are no longer just functional, they are becoming spiritual. Think of heels shaped like spirals, geometric blocks, or even floral motifs, turning each pair into a wearable piece of art. Designers are prioritizing comfort with memory foam insoles, ergonomic arches, and shock absorbing heel pads, ensuring you look fabulous without compromising on comfort. Many brands now offer customizable stilettos, allowing you to choose your heel height, color, and even add personalized embellishments like initials or charms. Flat moles, the casual luxe trend. Flat moles are a perfect blend of casual and luxe. Soft leather and suede dominate with minimalist designs that pair effortlessly with everyday outfits. Heeled moles, statement pieces for a bolder look. Heeled moles in a metallic gold, patent leather, and jewel toned stun are the way to go. These designs feature architectural heels and eye catching embellishments. Moles are transitioning into year-round footwear, shearling lined moles for winter, woven stave moles for summer. There's a style for every season. Eco-friendly innovations, sustainable fashions is big in 2025. Brands are using recycled materials, vegan leathers and plant-based dyes to create eco-friendly molds that do not compromise on style. For a chic evening look, pair metallic stilettos with a sleek black dress. Want to elevate your office outfit? Opt for nude stilettos. They elongate the legs and match almost any color. More styling tips. Flat moles look fabulous and ankle-length jeans or flowy midi skirt. For a dressers, bib pair heeled moles with tailored trousers or cloths. Mix and match. Experiment with textures. Pair leather stilettos with a sleek dress or velvet moles with denim, contrasting textures and depth to your outfit. Complete your look with matching accessories like handbags, belts, or statement earrings. A well-coordinated outfit always stands out. We spoke with the leading designers who shared their insights on 2025 shoe trends. According to them, the focus is on blending technology with craftsmanship, creating shoes